The first Tuesday in this coming November is Election Day, and I'm encouraging you to vote. In order to vote, you must be registered to vote. So would you, if you're not already registered to vote, would you find a place where you can register, your county courthouse, or perhaps there's registration tables at a community center or at your church, and register if you're not already. And then as you prepare for this November's elections, I encourage you to study the issues, study what the candidates stand for, and vote in a way that is consistent with your understanding of biblical principles, of how the Lord Himself would want you to vote. You know, we are privileged to live in America where we do have the freedom to vote, and there are so many elections that are decided by very close margins. And I wonder how many of those have been conducted where the winner would not have won had the believing community, the followers of Jesus Christ, shown up to vote. We need people in government who will act in a way consistent with the moral and ethical values that are taught in the Scriptures. So I encourage you, register to vote, and then once registered, this coming November, I encourage you to go out and vote.